we don't want to be brave losers or just say well done for getting to the semi-final. I think English football is entering a new period. I think we've learnt lessons from our neighbours in Europe and across the world, and we've adapted, and we're more flexible now. We play a different way, and our coaches are more flexible and play in a different way. I think we've had to adapt as well. But what I will say is that we're when you want to be better, you've got to play against the best. And the German team and all the teams left in the competition have proved themselves over a period of time at this level. And we want to make sure that we don't become teams that are good at qualifying or getting out of groups. We want to be known as teams that win tournaments.
I think the last four teams or last four countries are now Spain, Italy, England, and Germany. I think this is maybe not in first, second, third, and fourth, but these are right now the best countries in Europe. So it's a great effort. We are looking for to look who is the best tomorrow. So it makes fun. It's we are glad that we reached this, and now we can compare with the other big teams. So that's what my players want, and that's what we want. Because then after that, you know that you are better, or you have an experience, and if you use this experience very good, you know how you can make it better next time. So for the development, I think this is a perfect game.